Hey guys, this is Aisha. In this video today I'm going to tell you about the benefits of digital marketing. Digital marketing has become prominent largely because it reaches such a wide audience of people. However, it also offers a number of other advantages that can boost your marketing efforts. These are few of the benefits of digital marketing. A broad geographic reach. When you post an ad online, people can see it no matter where they are, provided you haven't limited your ads geographically. This makes it easy to grow your business market reach and connect with a large audience across different digital channels. Cost efficiency. Digital marketing not only reaches a broader audience than and traditional marketing, but also carries a low cost overhead cost of newspaper ads, television, sports, and other traditional marketing opportunity can be high. They also give you less control over whether your target audience will see those messages in the first reach. With digital marketing, you can create one content piece that draws visitors to your blog as long as it's active. You can create email marketing campaign that delivers messages to the targeted customers list on a schedule. It's easy to change that schedule on the content if you need to do so. When you add it all up, digital marketing give you much more flexibility and customer contact for your ad spend. Quantifiable results. To know whether your marketing strategy works, you have to find out how many customers it attracts and how much revenue it ultimately drives. But how do you do with and non-digital marketing strategy? There's always a traditional option of asking such customers, how did you find us? Unfortunately, that doesn't work in all industries. Many companies don't get to have one conversation with their customers, and surveys don't always get complete result. With digital marketing results monitoring, is simple. Digital marketing software and platform automatically track the number of desired conversations that you get, whether that means email often rates visits to your homepage and direct purchases. Easier personalization. Digital marketing allows you to gather customer data in a way that offline marketing doesn't. Data collected digitally tends to be much more precise and specific. Imagine you offers a financial service and you want to send out special offers to internet users, people who have who looked at your products. All you will get better results if you target to offer the person's interest you, so you decide to prepare two company campaigns. One is for your younger families who have looked at your life insurance products, and the other is for millennial entrepreneurs who have considered you your retirement plans. How do you do is gather to all that data without automatic tracking? How many phones record would you have to go through? How many customers profiles? And how do you know who has and hasn't read the brochure you sent out? With digital marketing, all of this information is already at your fingers. More connection with customers. Digital marketing lets you to communicate with your customers in real time. More importantly, it is less them to communicate with you. Think about your social media strategy is great when your target audience see your least latest post, but it's even better when they comment on it or share it when it means more buzz surrounding your products or service, as well as increase visibility every time someone join the conversation. Easy and convenient conversation. Digital marketing lets your customer take action immediately after viewing your ad or content. With traditional advertisements, the most immediate results you can hope for is phone call shortly after someone's view your ad. But how often does someone have the time to reach out to the company while they are doing the dishes, uh, driving down the highway, or updating records at work? With digital marketing, they can click a link and save a blog post and more along the sales funnel right way. They might not make a purchase immediately, but they will stay connected with you and give you a chance to interact with them future. All right, guys, that's all for today. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.